Aloha and welcome to the Sea Eagle Boats YouTube channel. I'm Hawaiian Dan with SeaEagle.com, and in this quick video I'll show you how to assemble and attach the Sea Eagle Universal Casting Bar to the FishSUP1210. The Sea Eagle Universal Casting Bar is great for those who have trouble standing from a seated position, if you wish to stand but have trouble with balance, and if you're looking for security and stability while standing. It's portable, packable, rugged, strong, and universal. It also has a nice fit and finish, and it fits 16 different Sea Eagles and many different watercraft on the market. So keep on the lookout because I'll get to those in a very near future video. Another great reason to subscribe to the Sea Eagle Boats YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe link in the lower right hand corner. After unpacking the Universal Casting Bar, you should have 2 halves, 1 pad, and 4 locking pins. Using your thumbnail, depress the insert shaft push pin and extend it to the number 3 setting. Then attach the 2 halves together. The additional holes allow you to adjust the width to fit different watercraft. If one gets stuck, simply use the locking pin to free it. And remember to rinse the push pins after saltwater use. Now lay the U-frame side of the Universal Casting Bar on the front of the deflated or inflated FishSUP1210 near the front attachment mounts and flip the long legs out of the way. Secure the 2 shortest legs to the front mounts using the locking pins and flip the long legs back down. The 2 remaining and longest scissor legs use the same adjustment principle as adjusting the width and allow you to adjust the height and angle. I find that fully retracted suits the FishSUP1210 perfectly. Stand the casting bar up. Use the remaining locking pins to secure the remaining legs and attach the casting bar pad. You can flip the Universal Casting Bar to suit your personal preference, and when storing the Universal Casting Bar, be sure to keep the locking pins attached to prevent losing them. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful and would like to see others like it, subscribe to the Sea Eagle Boats YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button in the lower right hand corner. Hit the notification bell and thumbs up button, and remember to share this with your family and friends. To hear about the latest sales and new product releases, be sure to subscribe to our email list by clicking on the link in the video description below. Remember to post your comments and questions in the section below, and I'll post links to the products and optional accessories mentioned in this video in the video description below, as well as a timestamp table of contents so you can easily jump from one section or topic of this video to another. Until next time, I'm Hawaiian Dan with SeaEagle.com, and I'll see you out on the water. Aloha.